In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can draw a kite in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. First is we need to open Microsoft Paint. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the best match to open it. Now, once you are in this window, you will find all the options at the top. So we just need to simply select a color first, which is black. And then for the shapes, you have here for this one, okay? And then just need to simply drag this from here like that. Okay, let me zoom this for you. Okay, like that. You can also adjust this depending on your preference and your style. Okay, now once done, we just need to simply look for this one, okay? And then drag this here. Okay, like that. Okay, then we're just going to add a color for it. So click on this fill, this one, and then choose your color. And then simply put that like that, and then choose another color. Okay, then click on this line, and then simply draw this like that. So we have to change the color first. Okay, click on line, and then draw the color. And then you have here this curved line. Choose that, and then simply move this like that, and then okay, then choose this curved line again, and then simply okay, like that. Then click on this curved line again. Now this time we're going to put it here like that, and then simply okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily create a kite in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.